The hair has a mind of its own today. Hey guys, it's Luna. Welcome to this week's quarantine video. I hope everyone is staying in, staying safe. This week I wanted to do a little what I eat in a day in quarantine because I have found myself eating really bad lately because I have the ability to snack whenever and on whatever I want, so it's been a little rough. You want to show them what you eat in a day? We'll do a lucky what I eat in a day too. So dance is canceled. I'm not teaching, I'm not taking classes because I can't, because it's canceled. So I have been doing a little at-home ballet that I will show you guys. I was thinking of doing a bar for my YouTube channel. Let me know if you'd be interested in seeing that or taking that. Comment below, I will do that video. But I have been taking Tyler Peck's live classes on Instagram, so I'm gonna take that today and just show you what I eat. I might do a little baking. I have just been doing a lot of different things that I've always wished I had the time to do, so that's what we're doing. Okay, so you guys know I always start my morning with my morning latte, but I've been trying to drink more water, and especially lemon water, and our new house actually has a lemon tree, so it's kind of my morning ritual to go down and pick a lemon and put in my water, which I think is really nice. So we're going to the lemon tree. Let's see which lemon we shall pick. There are a lot of bees on this tree right now. Okay, please don't attack me. Oh my god, the whole tree is like buzzing. I see the one I want. Down there. That's the one I want. Okay, here we go. Done, run. Delicious. I've shown my coffee ritual so many times on this channel, but I'll do it again. I have homemade almond milk. You can look up how to make this. This is the best in coffee. Store-bought almond milk, you'll never want to drink again. So I put that 2/3, and then I put, you guys know that I only drink Oatly oat milk. I've made it very clear on my channel that I love Oatly. It's a brand. I have a shipment arriving on Saturday because we're out and obviously don't want to leave the house to get that. So we're drinking Trader Joe's oat beverage, which is really trash compared, but it's fine. I put that in my milk frother, and then the Nespresso pod that I always use is the black Ristretto one because it's the second darkest or something like that. It's strong, it's great, I love it. Let's make the coffee. Absolutely nothing better. I've been really into taking my time with baking, cooking, all of the above because I have the time to do that now, and I've been wanting to make cinnamon rolls so bad, so I'm going to be doing that today. I found a recipe online. Hopefully it's a good recipe, I don't know. We have all the ingredients, so. Also, it's 12:06 right now, which is like lunchtime, and I haven't eaten yet, so I'll probably make something, a little something to eat while I cook these cinnamon rolls. But I'm still working on my coffee, and I'm gonna start this and see what I cook up. Okay, I decided the easiest thing to make while cooking would be a little yogurt muesli parfait thing. So I have yogurt and stuff, and I'm just gonna throw it together and I'll show you it after. Here's breakfast. It was some unsweetened yogurt, muesli, granola, blackberries, blueberries, bananas, almond butter, and some maple syrup, and some chopped dates. Getting all the little nutrients that I need in here, so until I eat my cinnamon rolls. Let's make the cinnamon rolls. I'm still working on my coffee. You have to wake up at one point. Did you not sleep? He had a rough morning. He threw up a little bit. He threw up a little bit, poor baby. He's so mad I woke him up. He is on a raw diet food brand called The Honest Kitchen, and they make freeze-dried raw. Are you so excited? Let's go. Oh, doing pirouettes. Tell the viewers how yummy it is, Lucky. We are currently kneading the dough, and my arms hurt. And then it has to rise for an hour, and then you roll into buns, and then it has to rise for another 45 minutes, so we'll find out things to do during that time. Okay, she's gonna chill for an hour. I think I'm gonna take a class. Okay, so as I said, I've been taking Tyler Peck's live classes, so I'm gonna take this one. She's so cute. I've taken a couple of her online quarantine classes so far, and they're so fun. We're gonna be doing this right now. I have this floor that is kind of like marley, I guess. It could be. I got it from Home Depot and it's been working fine, so. You can't sit there.
Good. Let's do left side. Good. Combo. So let's just do. We're gonna do demi point, push over. This is for advanced and beginners. Here, demi and up. Now, we use the foot to get it back into first.
Done with ballet. That was a really good class. I highly recommend you guys take Tyler's live class at 10. Let me know if you want me to do a ballet bar. I can do beginners, anything you want on my YouTube for you guys to just maybe, if you don't do ballet, try something new or get some practice in if you do ballet. Right now I'm about to eat some lunch and probably have my second coffee and finish those cinnamon buns, which have been sitting. I need to make them and then they sit for another 45 minutes, so let's do that now. My mom made me some, explain it.
So I made a chicken, leek, celery, carrot, onion, turmeric, ginger stew, and I added orzo to it.
Thank you.
Additions. Very healthy, very easy.
Oh, it's good, Mom. So good. I don't drink enough water. I rolled the cinnamon rolls, but they have to rise for another 45 minutes, so they're rising before I can bake them. But I think I'm gonna go on coffee number 2 and then just lay in bed and watch something because I'm kind of tired today and I don't know. I just want to rest and relax. That's what I want to do. For my iced coffee, I usually use this cold brew. This is brewed through something called toddy. It's a cold brew like maker thing, toddy thing, and it's like a concentrate, so you only put like that much and then you fill it with water because it's super concentrated. I'm gonna use some almond milk. Oh, that's so good. Yes. They look so good. Okay, they're done rising. I'm gonna put them in the oven. I just have to put butter on them first. They're going in the oven. They are out of the oven. I'm gonna make the icing while they cool down and then bon appetit. Wow, they look delicious. There we go. Ooh.
Maybe I'll get out of bed for this.
Okay, I'm gonna go watch Harry Potter now. Not for you. I've been in my bed for so long now and it's 7:54. This is probably the laziest day of quarantine that I've had so far. And that's okay. That's all fine. But if I'm being completely honest, I'm not feeling too hot. Like, body aches and I've had a headache for like 2 days now, which is really not good. I'm just gonna monitor it, obviously not go out at all, and stay away from my mom and brother. I don't know, maybe it's just all in my head and I'm just tired, but I have to film a video for my dance studio. I'm gonna teach a class because I'm not able to teach my classes, and they're starting a YouTube channel in my studio where the teachers can upload, so I'm gonna do that. You guys can actually access it too. I don't know if it'll be up, but and then I have to make dinner. I'm really not hungry. Those cinnamon rolls, I ate like 3 of them. I'm not feeling too great from those either. Probably will make like a salad of some sort. Good and left. Walk back, punch it down. Good. Flex plie slow. For today's combo, I wanted to choose a song that hopefully a lot of you guys know. It's from High School Musical, the musical, the series, the new show. It's also a TikTok song. Finish! I'm eating dinner now. I'm having tomato soup with grilled cheese. This is my favorite dinner lunch in the world. Basically dip the grilled cheese into the tomato soup. It's the best combo, but that's dinner. Hi guys, it's the next morning. I didn't finish my video last night because I was so exhausted from teaching that class, which will be available to you guys if you want. I don't think it's out yet, but you can click the channel down below in the description, California Dance Theater, and it will be on that channel within the next couple days after I upload this video. So it's really fun. It's about like intermediate advanced lyrical class. We did a little combo, and I would love to see you guys take it. Post videos if you do, and I'll repost them. I think I would love to do more of that, so let me know if you want me to do more virtual classes for this channel. Again, like all my what I eat in a day is, this is just one of my days of eating. Sometimes it's more, sometimes it's less. And I don't want you guys to come off this video judging the way that you eat. I am in no way or shape or form trying to tell you that you have to eat a certain way or make you feel insecure about the way you eat, because every single body is different, and that was what was sufficient for me yesterday. So that's what I ate. Anyway, I love you guys so much. Stay safe, stay inside, and I will see you next Thursday. Bye.